Hi James, this is Brittany. I promised you a video, and this is just going to cover a couple tips and tricks for you. I'm going to cover three aspects: content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'm going to show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. But first I want to quickly go over that when I searched for this keyword at the top of Google, Hardwood Flooring Company, Atlanta, Georgia, I found you on the top of the Google Map Pack, as well as on top of organic search results. That's super awesome and great. However, I did notice a few things for room for improvement on your website, and I wanted to go over that with your competition down here, Atlanta Hardwood Flooring and Cabinetry. But first, I want to talk about the content on your website. So looking at the number of words you have in your website, it looks like you have about 100 to 200 words, and Google actually likes home pages that have 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and number of keywords needed. So keywords, anything someone might type into Google for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for, such as Atlanta Hardwood Flooring Company, or flooring contractor, Atlanta, Georgia, just for example. And I also noticed you guys are doing an awesome job with labeling your photos in the background. When you save this as a picture, you have keywords here: Hardwood Flooring Company, Atlanta, for Peachstate Hardwood. So that's super great. So let's look at your competition and their content. Let's compare. So your competition, which is right below you, number 2 on the organic search result, is Atlanta Hardwood Flooring and Cabinetry. And looking at their number of words, they have almost the same amount of words as you guys, about 100 to 200 words. So you guys are similar with that. They have some similar keywords as well on their website. Atlanta Hardwood Flooring, which has to do with their name as well. So they also have some sub-pages at the top, and you do as well. So you guys are also similar with that, and when I looked into these, they had good content as well. So let's move further on, and I wanted to show you a program that I use to research websites. So I went ahead and put in your competition, Atlanta Hardwood Flooring and Cabinetry, into this program called Arrows. This is the thing I use for research. And I quickly want to go over two things. We have two ratings here, UR and DR. UR is a trust rating, and DR is a power rating. And these two ratings are raised by something called a backlink, and a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from other websites, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local websites will work best. So your competition, they have over 1,000 backlinks. They have 1.24 thousand, so they have about 1,200 backlinks with varying quality. They have some strong ones. That's really strong one here. Some not so much, but they have a lot more backlinks than yours that I saw. So looking at yours, you only have 112 backlinks on your webpage. You have some strong ones as well, but I definitely recommend not only matching the number of backlinks that your competition has here, but also raising that by a few hundred more, maybe to 1,500 or so, to beat them out. And because they have so many backlinks, they have a higher rating than you do. They have a higher UR and DR rating, so they're more powerful and trustworthy by Google standards. So definitely want to get some more backlinks to strengthen your website up. So last thing I want to go over is citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack here, where you were number 1 here. And this is extremely important for local businesses, as I'm sure you know, because these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So looking at your citations, You've got 31 referring domains. Your competition has more. They have 109. And with these citations, as you probably know, this is where you can put your information on Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, etc. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, that's how you get to stay above them and rank above them consistently. So you definitely want to get more citations in your website as well, so that you can also keep ranking and stay there, no problem. So moving further, I just wanted to go over, so just an overview, once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, and you start to outgrow your competitors, which you are doing a lot of good things, but like I said, there is some room for improvement here. You'll definitely be beginning and stay with more traffic. So I also wanted to show you one more thing as well. So I went ahead and put you in here. So Peachstate Hardwood here with your competition, Atlanta Hardwood Flooring Cabinetry. So performance-wise, you guys are actually pretty even across the keel here. You are orange, competition's blue. You definitely are ranking higher with those keywords as well. I wanted to mention you actually have a bunch more keywords than they do, so awesome job on that. You've got 314 keywords, and your competition only has 122 keywords. So that is great that you guys are having those awesome keywords ranking. But just those couple of things that you guys can do with that is, once again, you can definitely increase the content on your website, doing a few great things like I said, and you'd want to also increase your citations so that you can not only stay on the top but also strengthen your ratings by Google. Your UR and DR ratings make it so your website's more powerful and will stay in that rank. Alright, so those were just a couple of things I wanted to show you, and I do this for a living, so I was just creating this video to help you with your website, and I wanted to show you this to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. So thank you for allowing me to serve you today, and I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact email below is in the signature, and I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day.